This is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we'll look at colleges that accept scores without sectional cutoff. We have been putting videos regarding the calls that you can expect for your CAT percentile. Kindly watch those videos to get an idea on what colleges to apply for. The links for the videos are in the description. As we all know, there are three sections in CAT 2023: verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude. This year, the difficulty of the quant section has increased significantly. Many students have also found it difficult to crack a single case in the DALR section. Most IIMs, apart from the minimum overall percentile cutoff, also require minimum sectional cutoffs to qualify. For most IIMs, sectional percentile cutoffs are set at 70 to 85 percentile and above in each section is required for qualifying. Even if you haven't cleared sectional cutoffs, there are enough top B schools apart from these IIMs that do not require sectional cutoffs. We have prepared a list of top B schools that require no sectional cutoff. The following are the business schools with their average salary, number of seats, fee structure, and the CAT percentile that is required. The first on the list is FMS Delhi, which requires 98 percentile, offers an average package of 34.1 lakhs per annum. Please note that although there are no sectional cutoffs for FMS, they have weightage of 40, 30, 30 for VARC, DALR, QA respectively. IIM Rohtak. IIM Rohtak requires 96 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 18.7 lakhs per annum. DMS IIT Delhi requires 90 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 25.8 lakhs per annum. Department of Management Studies IIT Madras requires 90 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 20.2 lakhs per annum. The next on the list is IIT Kanpur, which requires 90 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 18.1 lakhs per annum. IMT Ghaziabad is a college that requires 90 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 17.6 lakhs per annum. It is to be noted that there are 600 seats in this college. BGSOM IIT Kharagpur requires 90 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 19.4 lakhs per annum. Department of Management Studies IIT Roorkee requires 92 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 18.3 lakhs per annum. Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi requires 90 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 14.5 lakhs per annum. IMI Delhi requires 90 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 17.2 lakhs per annum. The next on the list is Goa Institute of Management, which requires 87 percentile in CAT, offers an average package of 14.8 lakhs per annum. Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 14.5 lakhs per annum. Mudra Institute of Communications, Ahmedabad requires 85 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 20 lakhs per annum. It is also to be noted that students are required to write a separate exam called MyCAT. KJ Somaya Institute of Management requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 12.3 lakhs per annum. TAPME Institute requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 14.6 lakhs per annum. UBS Punjab University requires 80 percentile in CAT, offers an average salary of 13.7 lakhs per annum. Please note that some of these colleges are based on publicly available sources and not explicitly mentioned on their site, as many colleges don't declare their criteria for shortlisting or final selection. These are also based on past year trends and can change this year, but you can definitely use this list to plan your college applications based on your CAT percentile. We'll be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview content, B school deadlines, and much more information on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it useful. Thank you and good luck.